To prevent that, tick, tick, tick. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasiliki and in this video we're going to test together a new eyeshadow palette by Essence, and this is the Beyoutiful Eyeshadow palette. This contains 9 eyeshadows and the price of it is €6.95. We get 13.5 grams of product and we have 4 shimmer eyeshadows and also 5 matte eyeshadows. We get a mirror with this palette. The packaging is super adorable. I will do swatches for all of the eyeshadows and also a day to night makeup look. On my eyes now you can see the night look, so don't forget to watch also the day look. This is in the same edition with these two. I have also done a review for the Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette. I will have a card here if you want to see the swatches, a day to night makeup look and also a complete review about this palette. I also have the Never Give Up Your Daydream, which is a completely different palette. This is only shimmer eyeshadows. You can also use them on top of other eyeshadows and they look super beautiful, and I will do a separate review for these two. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite drugstore eyeshadow palette. For me, I don't have a favorite palette, but I like a lot from Essence, from Makeup Revolution, also from Wet n Wild. They have some very good eyeshadows. I don't think I can pick one of them and say it is my favorite. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new affordable eyeshadow palette. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I love this one! The matte eyeshadows are so soft, guys. We also have some very beautiful shimmery eyeshadows. Let's start with the day look. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow in the buff and I will apply it on my brow bone. I don't like matte eyeshadows for my brow bone, but this one blends very nice. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow on my own and I apply it into my crease. This is a very nice color. So this one is a little bit dusty, tap the excess off. And also blend it into the brow bone. This blends super easy. Okay, I will take some more and I will apply it again. I clean my brush on a tissue and I take again the eyeshadow brush and I will take the eyeshadow fired up and I will apply it in the outer eyelid. This eyeshadow also has some kickback, tap the excess off. This blends very nice, guys, and I applied a very small amount of the product. I will apply a second layer to make it more intense. Also bring it a little bit into the crease, especially if you have hooded eyes like me. And blend it a little bit in the outer crease. This looks fantastic. This blends so effortlessly. That's a difficult word to say. With a clean eyeshadow brush, I take the eyeshadow top up and I apply it in the inner eyelid. Tap the excess off. And if you want to make the eyeshadow a little bit more intense, just press a little bit with your finger very lightly. I think it will give a fantastic, yes, it looks very nice on the brow bone. Yep, I like it. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take the eyeshadow My Time and I will apply it in the lower lash line. This blends very easy. It's not as dark as it looks in the pan. You need about 2-3 layers to make this eyeshadow like this. With one layer it looks very soft and chocolatey and blended. If you want it more intense, you can make it look like this. I will take again my eye blender brush and I will take the eyeshadow on my own and I will apply just a little bit more into my crease and blend it outwards. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I take eyeshadow top up and I will apply it in the inner corner. With an angle brush by BH Cosmetics, this is number 10, I will take eyeshadow Midnight and I will apply it very close to my lashes. This eyeshadow is fantastic, it's very pigmented. Tap the excess off before you apply the brush on your eyes because you will have fallouts, so to prevent that, tick tick tick. For mascara, I will use the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara by Essence. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow Coffee Talk and I will apply it in the lower lash line. Okay, that looks very nice. You can see the difference between the eyes. Sure. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow True Me and I will apply it on the center of my eyelid. It's not very visible because it is on top of the other eyeshadow. On me they look very similar. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I will take eyeshadow Grayish On and I will apply it in the inner lower lash line. Yeah, this one you can see just a small amount of difference. On me they look very similar. Okay, they have very similar texture and also finish, so you can use one of them and not all of them together. With a smudging brush, I will take eyeshadow Fired Up and I will blend the lower lash line. Ooh, that gives amazing color. With a smudging brush by Essence, I take just a small amount of eyeshadow Midnight and I apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. With a clean brush, I will just blend the edges. This is the angled crease brush by Essence. It is insane. This eyeshadow is super pigmented. With the same eye blender brush, I take eyeshadow Fired Up and I blend it into my crease. This looks fantastic. For a second look, thumbs up. On my face, I have used this foundation by Essence. This is the Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup and I am also testing this one today. I will post the review in the following days. We can agree that the second look looks super fantastic, guys, and it also looks amazing with natural lighting. All the eyeshadows blend very nice and they are pigmented. For the matte eyeshadows, you just need a small amount of product and they blend so easy, guys. I'm very impressed. Most of the eyeshadows have a little bit of kickback when you touch with your brush the eyeshadows, so before you apply the brush on your eyes, tap the excess off and then blend the product on your eyes so you can prevent any possible fallout. We have lighter shades that we can highlight and also we have darker shades that we can contour the eyes, and in my opinion this is a completed eyeshadow palette, and we also have a mirror that makes it super travel friendly. In my opinion, you don't need both of this palette because the color stories are very similar. You get very wearable everyday eyeshadows with both of the palettes, and I prefer the Beyoutiful palette instead of the Follow Your Heart because it has a matte black eyeshadow and also a highlighting shade for my brow bone. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you are planning to get these palettes and if you liked any of them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!